Hi guys, welcome back to our Wix Harmony series. Today we are going to learn how to rename a layer in the Wix Harmony editor so you can easily label and organize your sections and even elements. So here's how you can do it. Click the Layers button on the lower left. This will open your Layers panel. Select the layer, section, or element that you want to work on. Say, for example, this one. Double click on it and then start typing what you want to name it with. Once you're done, hit enter and it will automatically be saved. So you can easily rename your sections and elements just like that. That's all for today, guys. Hope this video was helpful. If you need more Wix tutorials, check out our channel and consider subscribing as well. Thanks so much for watching and see you guys in the next video.